I'm gonna call this the Halloween guacamole, or like the Halloween mess, or something like that. What's up, guys? We're back to the Slimeatory! Alright, guys, so today I am going to be opening up your guys' slime boxes you guys have sent me, and I'm gonna try and make them into spooky Halloween slime. So yeah, I haven't done one of these in a while. I haven't opened your guys' boxes in a while, and I have so many. I'm so sorry, guys. Just haven't gotten to it. But anyways, we're gonna do it together. And you guys, comment down below if you guys want to bring back the slime subscriber box review, you know. And yeah, let's just straight on into the video. Alright, guys. So here's the first one. This first one is from. I have no idea. Okay, well it doesn't say, but I'll see. Hopefully it says it in the actual box. Alrighty, so let's open this. Okay, there's 3 boxes in here. This is exciting. I love these so much. Okay, let me open this. Is there a spider in it? Just kidding. What is this? Ooh. Oh, what is this? Alright, so this is like an Oreo, I'm gonna guess, or something like that. It's like a white slime with black foam beads, and it says Frogger slime. So I'm gonna guess that this is from Frogger Slimes, and they're a slime shop or something. Oh look, here's a little goodie bag thing. So here's a little baggie. This is thank you with a cute sticker. This is so freaking cute. So here's a little bag of borax and some runts. Yeah, this is runts. A little baggie of runts, candy. Okay, so these people, so their Instagram is frogger.slimes with a Z. So you guys make sure to check them out. And yeah, so let's check out the slime. Let's go back to this one. Oh, it's very melted. Well, this is really old, so kind of my fault. All right, let me just go ahead and activate this really quick, guys. Ta-da! Alright guys, so here it is. It's all activated. I think this one is actually called Cookies and Cream Oreo. I like it a lot. It did bleed like the foam beads because it's black foam beads. It did bleed into the slime, so now the slime's a bit gray. So yeah. I like it a lot. I would just say to add a little less water, but yeah, I like it. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try and change it into a spooky slime. So we're gonna make it red, and we're gonna attempt to do another Black Widow slime. I did one before. Well, I tried to do one where I did like black slime with red foam beads. Didn't turn out too well, so we're gonna try red slime with black foam beads. See if that works out. So yeah. Alright, I'm liking how this is turning out. Ooh, this is actually turning out really cool. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this red glitter, because why not? And ta-da! Presto, there's my, we're gonna call this vampire water juice thingy. I feel like it reminds me of like Dracula a lot, or like just a vampire in general. I don't know why. I guess because, you know, it's red and black, but like, you know, if it's black and red, like a black slime with red foam beads, it's like a Black Widow, but like when it's red slime and black foam beads, it's like a vampire, so it's weird. Alright, well that is this one. Let's get on to the next one, guys. Next box we are gonna do, guys, is from Adam, I think that's how you say it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, and she drew this really cute like drawings on them. So there's, like, there's balloons right here and a rainbow, and then like a little cloud, and then it has slime right here, and I don't know, I just really like it. I think it's so cute. Okay, anyways, let's keep going. I hope I'm opening this the right way, because I feel like I might be opening it upside down, but I don't know. All right, throw that all out. Okay, so this is Charlie's butt slime right here. I'm gonna guess. Oh, is that a butt? Oh my god, guys, she drew a freaking butt on there. At first I thought it was 2 cent signs, and then I realized it's actually a butt. It's pretty good. And then there's a slime for Paul right here, and then a slime for me. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and activate these really quick, guys, and I'll be back.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so I activated this slime. Also, I just want to mention, she also made this really cute like paper squishy, I think it's called. It's like a little cookie, and I don't know, I really love it. It's so freaking cute. This slime is a yellow butter slime, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. Love the color, love the texture. Now, let's make it spooky. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna try and make this into an orange slime. Let's just get a little bit of that because it's very strong. And let's color it. Let's see. Hopefully it turns orange or not some other color, like, I don't know. Okay, it is now orange, right? This is orange, right? So now it is orange. I feel like it needs to be a bit more orange, so I'm just gonna get a little bit more. Alright, so now it is all orange. I love this color. It's so pretty. It just, I don't know, I really like it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and add some yellow foam beads. I have them in this container because they are annoying and they just do not stay inside the bag. So these are yellow foam beads. They kind of don't look very yellow with the color of the slime. So, yeah. Alrighty, I decided to put some of these green sparkles in it to try and make it like kind of like its green leaves. I did this with another slime. I think it was like a store-bought slime, and it actually turned out really pretty, so I'm gonna try it again with this one. Alrighty, well that is it. That's all I'm gonna do. I feel like this is all I can do. So here it is, guys. Slime makeover. It's a pumpkin now. Pumpkin butter. I think it actually looks really nice. Alrighty, thank you so much, Autumn, for sending me these awesome slimes, and let's get on to the next one. Alright, guys, so here's the next one. This one is from Kennedy, I think. Alrighty, so she sent a note. Alrighty, and then here are all these slimes she sent me. Ooh, that looks nice. This is a clear slime. Oh, and then also she sent me these cream eggs. I love cream eggs so much. They're like one of my favorites. Oh my god, I love them so much. So thank you so much. And these are slimes. These are all slimes, and yeah. And then this is also a little bag. Has these little cute female slices, I think they're called. I finally learned what they're called, guys. These are actually really, really cute because like they're like really bright and like neon. I don't know if you guys know, but I don't know. I feel like they're more bright. And a little bracelet and a little watermelon eraser. That's so cute. Okay, thank you so much. Alrighty, we have so many slimes to choose from. Which one should we do? We have peppermint butter right here, under the sea. Ooh, that one's really pretty. It's got a little glitter. Peppermint cloud, oh. And pink flower foam. That looks so pretty, guys. I think I'm gonna try and do peppermint butter. I wonder what I should do with this, because it's green already. Should I keep it green? I don't know. Whoa, is this good still? Is this actually activated still? I'm trying to mix it because like the clay kind of like separated from the slime. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of activator. I'm using my spoon so I don't add too much in accident. All right, guys, here it is. Finally did it. It is very, very nice. Actually, it kind of reminds me of like chewing gum. I don't know, like not actual chewing gum, but like bubble gum slime almost. Like it's super dense and like really buttery, and I like it a lot. Just because I feel like it kind of shrinked while, you know, it was shipping. I'm gonna go add a little bit more slime. It's pretty small. All right. Alrighty, so it is green. I'm wondering if I should change it to like a different color or if I should keep it green, because green is pretty spooky already, because it's kind of like slimy, you know, like green, spooky, slimy, I don't know. So I want to go and figure out what I could put in this slime to make it spooky. Alrighty, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make it a bit more like a brighter green, spookier green. I'm going to try and add a little bit more blue. Got darker. Alright, that's the color it is now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some yellow to make it a bit more green, so it's like brighter. Alright, is it any brighter, guys? I think it is, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more blue and a little bit more yellow to make it, try and make it a bit more brighter. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some blue foam beads. I'm gonna add blue, purple, and yellow. How do I get these out? I hate these bags. Is it just me, guys, or do you just hate like freaking foam beads in the bags? They go everywhere and they just don't come out. Okay, now I'm gonna add some blue. I meant purple, actually. Okay, why don't these stick to the bag? That's so weird. Alrighty, now I'm gonna add some yellow. I'm gonna put it in this container. And I'm gonna add a bunch of glitter. I'm adding this pink glitter and this white glitter. I'm gonna call this the Halloween guacamole, or like the Halloween mess, or something like that. Gold glitter. All right, let's mix this. I think we should call this the Halloween guacamole, guys. Ta-da! I think it's set, guys. The Halloween guacamole. That's what I'm calling it. Alrighty, well that is it for that one, I guess. I think it turned out pretty well. Alright. right, next one. All right, guys, this next box is from Coley. I hope I said that right. So let's open it up. Alrighty, here it is. Okay, what is this? This is so adorable. This is called Miss Potato. This is so freaking cute, guys. All right, here's some notes. Another note, and there's some candy from Sour Patch Kids. Then there's more candy. There's a lot of candy in here. A little stamp, more candy, so much candy. A little slime, and this is a little slime again. A little bracelet, and a little toy right here. Oh, this is so cute. I wonder what this is. Okay. Okay, let me just go ahead and get all the slimes out and we can start playing with the slime. Alrighty guys, so here's what I decided to do. It's called grape jelly. It's a very nice purple slime. Alrighty, so to make it more spooky, I think I'm gonna make it a bit more dark. I'm gonna put some more blue in it, just a little bit more. Whole slime turned blue. Alright, now I gotta add some pink to it because the whole slime freaking turned blue. Barely even put any. There. Now it is purple again, and I actually really like this color of purple. I feel like it's like actually a really nice Halloween purple. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add some glitter. So I think we should add a bunch of different glitters. So I'm adding this yellow glitter. This like, it's kind of like iridescent purple glitter. You guys see that? It's very pretty. All right, now I'm gonna add some of this, it's like blackish purplish glitter. It's like a very dark purple. It's almost black, but not completely black. And I'm gonna add some of this green glitter because I feel like it gives it kind of like a witch vibe. Just a little bit. Whoopsies. I wasn't gonna put the whole thing, guys, but I kind of flicked it. Anyways, let's go ahead and mix this. This actually looks really pretty. Ooh, actually this turned out pretty good. I think this might be my favorite. Like, whoa. Wow, this actually turned out really good, guys. Okay, I really like this one. This one I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call it like witch's brew or something like that because it actually turned out really nice. I really like the color and like, what the heck? Like the color of the slime and then it mixed with like the glitters and everything just look amazing. Actually, guys, I decided I'm gonna add some of these too. I found these. This is from the dollar store. They're like glittery orange and black foam beads, and they're the best things ever. I love them so much. So we're gonna add that in there too, just a little bit. Ooh, this looks so much better, guys. Okay, this is like really now a witch's brew. This is witch's brew, guys. This looks so amazing. Alrighty, well that is it for this one. It turned out really, really nice. I think it's really cool. It's like witch's brew. You guys comment below what you think I should name it and comment what your favorite one is. Alright guys, so for this next one, like button challenge. Try to press the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys get it? Let's get back to that. Alrighty guys, this next one is from Naya. So yeah, she also put this in this, is it a box or is it wrapping paper? She put like this holographic wrapping paper and it's so cool. Oh my goodness, like I want to keep this, but like I know I can't. Okay, well, this is taped very weirdly. Alright guys, so here are the slimes. So we have 3 slimes right here and then some notes on the bottom. Oh, they drew this little Slimeatory paper. That is so adorable. I love that. Alright, so we have 3 slimes here. This one is Bart Simpson Booty. Oh, okay. Sounds good. Wow, that is interesting. That looks nice. Okay. Next one is, this next one is strawberry cake batter. That looks really nice. It looks like a nice butter slime. And the last one from here is crushed up fruity pebbles. Ooh, that looks really cool. Like, that's super creative. She put like these glitters in there, and it actually reminds me of like the end of the like cereal. So it looks really cool. It honestly like actually really looks like crushed up fruity pebbles. Alright guys, so I think I was gonna do this one. So first I gotta activate it, so 1 second. Alright guys, so I decided I wanna make it yellow. And I activated the slime, and it's actually really, really nice. I forgot to show you guys. I love it. The glitter in it actually looks so cool. Like, it actually looks like the cereal. And it's like, it actually looks like the cereal if you were to crush it up. So I really like that. But I'm going to change it yellow for the purpose of spooky. And the glitter in the slime actually kind of looks like Halloweenish. So that's a point, plus point. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and add these pom-poms I found at Target. They're like Halloween pom-poms. They're orange, green, black, and purple, and they look really cool, so I wanted to try it out. I usually don't add pom-poms that much in slime, so I wanted to give it a shot, because I've seen it sometimes, and it looks fun. Let's add that in there. This one escaped. Whoa, that actually looks so cool, guys. Whoa. That actually is the cutest slime ever. It's so cute. I can actually see the pom-poms like a lot, like the color of them. I actually like it a lot. Ta-da! It's the new and improved crushed up fruity pebbles. Turned out very nice, actually. Wow. I am very surprised. I feel like I should add some glitters though. I'm gonna add a little bit of green glitter, just a little bit, and I'm gonna try not to flick the spoon this time. And some of this yellow glitter. Well, it's kind of like gold. And this purple glitter. And that is it. Ooh, that looks cool. Alrighty, well that is the slime. I think it turned out pretty good. But I think my favorite will still be the purple one. The purple one is so cool. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you just want to do it in part 2. And that is it. I love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!